cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marvelous Akinloye, and today I'll be taking you on a very detailed tour of the Olumo Rock, which is located in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. Olumo Rock has a lot of cultural significance. It served as a place of refuge for the people of Ogun during the intertribal warfare of the 19th century. There is a lot of video on YouTube about the history and cultural significance of the Olumo Rock, but I had also released a detailed video of the tour of the Olumo Rock, but I just thought I should do a detailed vlog without cutting anything out of the footage I took when I was there. So this video will be really very complex. I'm going to show you each steps that I took when I got there, exactly how it is without removing anything.
I'm a human being, cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life.
Okay. To the top, okay.
I'll step in any boy. That's but I just get back on the show. Will step down in 2007. Unless you want any. So don't balance to get bigger than the nation. We don't balance to get any. I'm not saying evaluation. You bear money ratifying. The back down here. Only because of my fee. I will get the video box. We bet you want to steps to be happy. So let's go. Everybody is what you come out. No. I've been sitting here.
Okay. Alright, bros.
Don't worry. I'm with you now. Don't be scared.
Don't fall down.
Come and sit here.
Okay.
Give the video. I'm doing the video.
Okay.
Can you go see the English by telling? Come out for ambitious one. And go on there.
So my pounds, okay.
So I do see better than what you call.
Everything by you know, I'm a pump by us. Why come back? But I don't mind double it. And come out with the wine, come out bullet. I'm a best so when you're getting go. I'm a go. And become back.
Go for a child. I'm a child now.
I don't see what you do. This is tall.
Oh yeah, Mabo. Edmund shit. Oh yeah, Mabo. You're going to go with me to cut you. Oh yeah, Mabo. Emma Bonku, Emma for. Emma Bo.
Charge, come and draw you.
Oh no, don't worry. Yeah, be here.
You are scared last one.
Nice one. Cameraman, wa.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
There's an elevator here. I can take you up. I don't think the elevator is working. Is that the elevator? Yeah.
Could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, Could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong